to start, but I wanted to go ahead and give a big shout out and a big thank you to Audible because they are sponsoring today's video. So if you guys are interested in signing up for Audible, the really cool thing is if you live in the US, you can actually text Simply Nessa 15 to 500 500. So as many of you guys know, knowledge is power and books are amazing. I personally love to read books. I have my own collection. I'm personally a more poetry kind of girl, which may surprise you guys because of the way I be acting, but I'm actually a really soft, romantic person on the inside. So I love reading poetry books, and I'm also all about empowerment books just because I know that 2018, I want it to really be my year. So it's just, you know, nice to have like a motivational book, and with Audible, you can listen in your car, you can listen on your phone, you can listen through Amazon Echo in your house. Like, you can take it anywhere with you. Whenever I'm bored, I like to play an audiobook as I clean my house or as I'm taking a shower. Like, why not? There's really cool books such as How to Be a Boss, and I honestly really think that's a really good book. It's amazing for there's literally hundreds of books, you guys, on there, probably thousands that you guys can check out. Like I told you guys, if you're interested in signing up, www.audible.com/simplyness15, or you guys can sign up by texting simplyness15 to 500 500. The time to pick up a book, start an audiobook. Let's get started with this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a vlog. As you can see, ooh, that lighting just added a glow to me. I just put a video up on my channel. If you guys haven't seen the one about body dysmorphia, make sure you guys go and watch it, because I talk about like my past with all that, because I feel like a lot of people could relate to it. So if you haven't seen it, go check it out after this video. It'll be at the end. You can just like tap on it and you can go straight to it. But I'm about to go and pick up Zach. We are going to, come on honey, come on, let's go. I do not let her stay in my room while I'm gone, because I don't know what this girl's gonna do. But I'm working with the company right now, so I have to go take some pictures for them, and I can't talk about it. It's like in my contract to not talk about it. So you guys will eventually see that. You'll see me in many stores, many places. But yeah, I'm about to just go now. We're gonna go downtown and try to find a spot to take these pictures in. So I'm super excited to get this done. I'm gonna be bringing my little Polaroid camera with me because I want to take like I have over here, I don't know if I've ever showed you guys, I haven't done a house tour, but right here I have a board that I want to start putting like a bunch of pictures on. So I'm gonna bring this with me so me and Zach can take like something cute downtown. And yeah, so your girl is going to bounce, and I will be back when something actually goes down in my life. So we were laughing at the lady behind us because this bitch has fucking Beggins. She's eating Beggins. You guys, the person behind us is literally, she's literally, she's looking at us. She's eating fucking Beggin strips. So I looked at her in my like, what's it called? The rear view mirror. Not the rear view, the side mirror. And the bitch flipped me off. Like, I'm not making fun of your car. I'm laughing at the fact that you're eating fucking Beggin strips, bitch. Like, why are you eating Beggin strips? Like, idols for dogs. Like, I know everyone's into their own thing, but like, why are you like, why is she flipping me off though? Do I laugh like really loud? I thought we were being quiet. Whatever. She looked very scary. She did. Oh, she's turning over. Let's go! No, 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 no. But we're going to the Arizona Science Center. But first we're gonna go take the pictures, but I told Zach that he should come here because it'd be really fun. And I'll pay for it since you're gonna take the pictures of me. So, of course, oh, of course. So yeah, we're gonna go. I'll probably start vlogging with my phone now. So we're currently taking pictures out of church. Hopefully we don't burn as we step. Try it, bitch. We're so offensive. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Fucking knees are ash, or my ankles are ash. Yeah, get your fucking makeup. So here's Arizona Science Center we're walking up to. If you guys think it'd be a good idea for me to contact Tracy Barbie and ask her if I can make her over, vote now. But my camera just died, so I'm gonna be using my phone now for the rest of this little vlog sesh. But we're at the Arizona Science Center and I'm so excited. I literally used to come here like every year when I went to my elementary school. So I'm excited for Zach to see it, even though like it would have been a lot more fun at like 5 years old, but which is still gonna be fun. Who's playing? Oh, it is dead. Perfect. What time is it? 4:02. Okay. The kids just got out of school an hour ago. I don't have time to be here. Wonderful. So, I don't know if I'm supposed to be recording. Did he say I could record in here?
I don't know.
Did he say I was?
He said no pictures.
He said no pictures, but no flash. Okay.
Oh, bro. No flash.
No flash.
You want to have no picture?
No picture, exactly. There's no point then. Here is a honorary statue of a male figure.
Don't touch glass.
Oh my gosh, he did say that.
Yeah. Be careful who you're touching.
Thank you. I loved it. That was entertaining.
What is that? Is that you?
Bitch, that's me. Oh my gosh, that's like scary. There wasn't kids around. I want one of these in my house. Oh my gosh, I don't have an ass. Oh.
Asian dog, I'm the baddest of them all. I'm a youngin' in the sports, and that pussy you a fraud. Cut the tree and cut the paper.
Oh, okay, I'm 126 pounds. Are you trying to get me copyrighted by starting that music?
Oh, hell no, man.
Cool. Cool.
I'm trying. It's not me. Bitch, I'm so dizzy.
Wait, can you like actually go down this? Is this a slide?
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Oh. Oh. My phone's gonna die, but we're at Claim Jumper. I got some strawberry lemonade and I ordered ribs and shrimp. I'm super excited. I'm so freaking hungry. I haven't ate anything all day. Hey guys, so I am home now and I am in my bed. I'm not going to sleep yet. I'm literally just like sitting here like I just got home. But I ripped off my eyelashes, as you can see. Ripped off my freaking hat. I'm not letting y'all see the top of my head because I'm not like showing anybody how long my hair is until like a while. So like it's a surprise. I gelled it down. That's why it looks so flat right now. But yeah, I'm home now. It was a really short vlog, so I hope you guys like were semi-entertained by it. Just wanted to put some content out there for you guys. But yeah, we went to Claim Jumpers to eat and I ended up getting ribs and shrimp, and I also got like their giant chocolate cake that's like this big. Like it's so freaking big. I didn't eat it yet. I'll probably eat it tomorrow, to be honest, just because like I'm not really hungry right now. But I'm just gonna take a shower, get in bed. I'm still sick, you guys. I should not be going out in public, but like I'm still going to. Girl, gotta get things done. So I'm just gonna take my ass to bed, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Make sure you check out Audible, and thank you for just like showing support and sticking with my channel, because like honestly it actually means the world to me, because like I don't know, I feel like there's just been so much that I've gone through in my fucking life that it's like wow, like finally like it's like chill, like I'm like relaxing, I'm chill right now. So thank you for coming along for the ride, and thank you for being you and supporting me, because it honestly means the world to me. I'm not sure if the t-shirts are going to be available still by the time this video is posted, but if they are, make sure you go and check them out. Thank you for everybody that ordered a shirt. I did not expect that. Like, honestly, I thought maybe like 15 people were going to buy one, but like, I did not expect that. So thank you again for all the support, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
To me,